Hi, my name is Gabby, and I am an international business major.
Hi, I'm Diana, and I'm a liberal studies major.
We met here,
We met
actually,
at
on this
this
bench. Exactly. We were rushing for sorority, and
Yes.
then we just came close ever since then. Yeah.
Nice.
We both bonded because we were both transfer students
Yeah.
and both transferred during COVID, so we didn't know many people, so that's pretty much how we bonded.
Yeah.